And you know, there's actually something unique about traveling. It's the experience that comes with it, the cultural learning that you get to experience, learning other people's culture. It's something I've always wanted to do, and it's something I'm very passionate about. And it's actually very cold. You can hear the wind, but I'm sorry, I have to cover my head so you can hear me properly. But traveling is something that is an experience that you can't be taught. You have to go live it. You have to go see it for you to actually get the feeling and get the vibe. So this is in North Holland, I guess, and the name of the city is Rotterdam. And if you're seeing this video, this should be a reason for you to come over here. You are not going to regret it. And I think winter is the best time to visit the Netherlands. You are not going to regret it. I'll show you something. So we'll start from here. We're just around the center, and this just takes my breath away. You feel so safe, feel so unique. And in the morning, I want to explore this museum and see what's inside there. The tram just arrived, and the whole city is bustling, it's bubbling, and you just gotta love it. You just really have to love it. It's not something, God damn, I mean, don't worry, there's just a lot more for me to show you, and you're not going to be disappointed. I'm walking now, just come with me, yeah? Isn't this just beautiful? Doesn't this just take away your breath? Tell me. Just tell me in the comment section below if this just doesn't take your breath away. The landscape, the water. The Netherlands is such a beautiful place. It's a place you want to be. This should be your reason to come over. Don't stop, just book the flight. Book that flight and you will not regret it. Tell me what's not here to admire. Just tell me. Where modern day meets history. Damn. And you think this is enough? Wait for more. I'm going to show you even more beautiful places. Just wait. Follow me. If you think you've seen it all, you've not seen the Netherlands. You've not seen this. You definitely haven't. I can't tell you. You just have to experience it. The lovely. It's so modern. Guys, I am in my second of 197 countries and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Isn't this just beautiful? This is the Netherlands. And by the way, guys, you can actually help me grow. I'm a new creator and I want to be able to create more. And things like this, bringing you videos like this and landscapes like this in places that I would want you to come see for yourself is something that actually gives me joy. And you can actually support me by, you know, taking a second out of your time. I know you're really busy, to just like, subscribe. That'll really go a long way. And for real, I don't even know what to say. I'm walking in the beautiful streets in the Netherlands, and everything you just see is just how lively it is, how cozy and chill, and how clean. The air is so fresh. It feels so breathtaking. It's just everything the tourists can ask for. Let's see what's on this street. Beautiful alley there. It's like a market. You can smell really good food. You can tell whatever it is that they sell over here. It's just nice and it just feels so good. And somewhere like the people bar as well, they don't really feel too concerned if you're filming them, or like there are some countries you just know these guys are very conservative, but in the Netherlands it's not like that. Everyone actually definitely feels chill, very happy, very lively. That's something we gotta love, man. That's something we definitely gotta love. That's written witty. Witty or witty, I don't know. Can someone tell me in the comments what that means? I'd like to know what it is. Tell me what witty means. That one there. Yeah. Keeps writing this witty thing. I'd like to know what it actually means. If someone doesn't mind, tell me what it means. Someone from the Netherlands. And I'll tell you guys, your country is so beautiful. Your country is so beautiful. I mean, I just love it, for real. I actually do. Pretty chill. Can you just see how safe a country is supposed to be? Because there's a lot of countries in this world that do not prioritize safety. You know, people cannot come into your countries and just feel like they are, you know, welcome to something like that. But this just feels so different. I can't stop re-emphasizing how different it is because of the peace and the calm that just comes with it. You feel so welcome. You feel like you're already part of the people. No discrimination, nothing at all. Even if you're like me, nobody cares, and it's just a joy to watch. It's just a joy. No wonder these guys have a very strong and huge influence in the whole of the world. It's just because of how they can make two words come together. I think there's something other part of the world should emulate. I don't have anything bad to say. And on top of that, a lot of things are legal, bro. I know you know what I'm talking about, but a lot of good things that some of you like, it's legal here. I'll take you to some. I came across this very beautiful mosaic in Rotterdam, and I wanted to show you. I thought it was nice. I thought it was like in an alley, and I thought it was good to just show you. And just like I always say in all of my videos, like life, everything that has a beginning has an end. And with that, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm looking forward to future trips to this beautiful country where I can go to, you know, more of the hinterlands to show you different and fantastic places, and, you know, just show you even more and delve into the culture even way more. If you've not had the time to do so yet, please, I am begging you, subscribe. Just subscribe, because if you do, I'll take you to Mars.